Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here, and just taking a look at the NASDAQ 100 at the moment. I've got it open on a 15-minute chart. I started this video while it was trading back here, and I wanted to talk about a short opportunity. I actually missed out on trading this because this actually took off pretty quickly and with a bit of a vengeance, headed south. So I mean, from this point of view, I don't trust this move here. It traded with a lot of momentum. This was a sudden move. Be careful, because I'm thinking that this is going to trade back up in. We've got these imbalances up here, and I think the opportunity is going to be possibly back up in here. But what I'll do is I'm going to go out to the higher time frame, and I want to give you a very quick top down and give you my take on this. So we've got this. This is a key weekly level here. This is a weekly time frame. We look left, we can see this orange line that I've drawn through. Multiple touches back here. Here, 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 okay, weekly level. And the other thing we've got is, this is the current weekly open. So I'm going to mark that up, this red candle high, mark that up, weekly open. I want to see how this trades around this level as we move into Tuesday. So what we're seeing at the moment is a bit of a retrace, a bit of a pullback. It's been bullish. Let's just go down to the daily quickly. So here's the thing, weekly open. But what does it do? It trades up. It takes out buy-side liquidity. And I'm wondering whether this is setting up for a short for the week. It's all going to hinge on how price reacts around this weekly open, though, later on today. So if we smash through it and we trade north, then that will look for a support level here. If it rejects under here, then we look at that as a level of resistance. And I think the opportunity will come tomorrow, Tuesday. I'm a little bit reluctant to get involved on Monday, but just sizing this up at the moment for the opportunity. So this is the daily time frame. We've got our level marked up. It's had a bit of a stab at buy-side liquidity. See that? And now trading under. So we've had this imbalance over here. This thin candle is closed now. We've got the high of this red candle. See back through here, these candle bodies, these dojis, right? This is the balance area. So we've traded back down looking to rebalance. 4 hour. Let's see what happens here. Now, here's the thing. See how we've had this bullish trend on the 4 hour time frame, higher highs, higher lows, all the way. At this point here, we see a break of market structure. We've got this lower low here and lower highs. How do you want to draw that? Well, pull it through there if you like, but lower highs, lower lows on the 4 hour. Question is, is this looking to reverse here? That's the thing. So let's just see, if it rejects off this weekly open and we see it roll over here, that could be an opportunity for a really nice trade this week, possibly. But we've got to see it shape up for that first. It's got to give us the opportunity. So we don't want to chase it. Let's see if the market provides the opportunity. Let's trade it down into the London Open. So, does it rotate here and look for more buy-side liquidity? We'll just see how it trades around this level. What else can I say about this? I'll go down to the lower time frame and I'll show you how I get involved with this. I mean, look, a conclusion for me is let's wait and see how it trades around this weekly open. It'll either reject or it'll push through and it'll be support. And that's going to be the opportunity for the week. And then we should see a decent outcome for the rest of the week. I'm going to show you how I get involved with this on the lower time frame. And before I do, I'd like to invite you to join my Telegram group. Have a look at the links below and you'll see a link to our free Telegram. And the other link there is We Trade Your Forex account. Have a look at that. You might be surprised at the results that you see on my master account. You can connect your account to mine. Links below. See this? What we're looking for here is this indicator down the bottom. See how it's predominantly green? It's telling us that the higher time frame is bullish. So I'm looking for bullish opportunity. This is a 5-minute chart. So I'm going to be looking for bullish opportunities given that the HTF multi-time frame is green. This is a 5M, and what this indicator underneath gives us is it's the 1, the 2, the 4, the daily and the weekly, but if it's a lower time frame it'll go to the daily. So we can see it's bullish. Now here's an opportunity here off this bar. So that's one signal. We get these alerts over here. There's two types of alerts that fire. It's these bullish, bearish alerts, and the other alert that we're looking for is this one here. See this dot? That's a stop run. This is market overextended. It's bullish. This is a stop run hunting sell side liquidity in a bullish market on the higher time frame. We could take, if you wanted to take every one of these signals, look at these, regardless. If you do a little bit of higher time frame, you know, like a little bit of technical analysis, this can be incredibly powerful. Look at these opportunities. So remember that the higher time frame, multi-time frame below is predominantly green. I'm going to be looking for these green dots, and I'm going to be looking for this bullish signal here, this green bar. If we see a green dot firing within the green bar, absolutely, there's another green dot. Look at this one, bullish. But what we've got down here is that the higher time frame's thinning out a little bit. So, you know, it's a matter of probability and possibility. You tick the check boxes for your strategy, and the more check boxes tick, the higher probability. So now we've got 2 out of 4 here, green. But this is giving us, if we have a look at this, it's giving us the, let's go back to the beginning. If we're on a 5-minute chart, this is giving us 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and the daily. Okay, so if we were on an hourly chart, we'd see the weekly. Up to the daily time frame, if the 4 hour and the daily are bullish, I'll take that trade, no problem. You know, and looking back, I mean, it's green across the board here. I mean, what else would you do with that? But you know, you can see how powerful this is. Where do you put your stop? Well, look at our indicators here, giving us the green dots. Go under the dots. Go for broke with your target. Take 70% early at target 1 to 1, and then trail the rest. See, green dot, and look at the indicator below. Look at the opportunity. Now, this one was a bit short-lived. That'll happen, but we still got something out of it. Why? Well, if you entered here, stop loss under the green dots, there's a trade, 1 to 1, and we're in. Okay, some of them might be a little bit short-lived, but look at these opportunities here. Now, that makes up for any of these others that aren't so great. So anyway, guys, you can have access to the indicators. Click the link below, join Telegram. Before I wrap it up, it's kind of in no man's land at the moment, and I'm waiting for this to see how it reacts around this weekly open. Okay, guys, take care. See you in the next video.